guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new to my channel, hi, I'm MakeupPixie. I make makeup videos, so consider subscribing for all things beauty and also turn on the post notifications so you're notified every time I upload. FYI, I know there's a little spot on my camera that I tried cleaning, but it looks like it's on the inside, so I have no idea how to get it out. I'm gonna have to go to somewhere to get it cleaned or whatever, so sorry about that. I don't know how to fix it. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you all the goodies that I got at the BoxyCharm pop-up shop. They do this every so often. I don't know exactly like time frames, but they do this every so often. If you are a subscriber to the boxes, you get access to this pop-up shop, and there's like gajillion good deals on makeup, on hair care stuff, on just random lifestyle stuff. It's really cool. I feel like I got a lot of good stuff that I've been wanting for a while, so it definitely was a very good buy. Like, these things were on super sale, like it was awesome. So if you want to go ahead and subscribe to BoxyCharm, I'll go ahead and leave my link down below so you guys can check it out and subscribe to get your own box and to have access to the pop-up shop. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. So this is the box that everything came in. Let me go ahead and find something to open this with. One of the things that I purchased was from Kenzie. It is their micro needle derma roller. So I've seen this. I saw this on Instagram, I think like last year or something. But it's like an exfoliator thing, right? And I'm gonna use this for my lips. Like, I've seen, that's how I saw it on Instagram. I saw somebody use it on their lips, like for, you know, exfoliate. You're supposed to exfoliate your lips at least 3 times a week, just FYI. So yeah, so I really wanted this. Yeah, but I'm very excited to use this, and I'm very curious to see how it's gonna feel like on my lips and stuff. So the next thing I got is from Luxy Beauty. It is their pink travel brush holder thing. It's like a cup brush holder. So it looks like this, and it said Luxy here. I have wanted this forever and ever. You can never have too many compartments for your brushes, so I really wanted it. And also it's handy for when you travel with your brushes, because there's times, oh, there's a little thing in there. So it looks like this. It comes apart, so you can use them as 2 separate cups, or you put them together and those will be your traveling brush holder thing. Yeah, no, like I usually like throw them like in a bag or whatever, and I use them, you know, I have them that way. But like this way would be better, because then they stand up, you know, and you could just put them like on a desk or a bathroom, whatever, like in a hotel or whatever the case is. But I'm very excited for this. I really wanted this, like I said, so bad, and it was such a good price. This one, I think I remember, I think this was like $6 or something. I could be totally wrong. But like I said, I'll include the price somewhere in the bottom. But yeah, I'm very excited for this. Super cute. I mean, look at this pink. It's just awesome, and it's like leathery, and it's just so perfect. Love it. So the next thing I got is from Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. I got their Stunna lip paint in the shade Unlocked. Also something that I really wanted. It just looks like the packaging from where I've seen it. It looks so cool and whatever, and the pigments like look. I just really wanted it. So let's go ahead and open this, and this is the box, and it comes like this. Oh, it's so pretty. It kind of looks like a nail polish, but I got the shade Unlocked, which is like this hot pink. I love pinks and reds. That's my thing. But yeah, so it looks like this, and I just really like the packaging, and this is hard to open. Oh, there it goes. And it opens up. I'm telling you, it looks like a freaking nail polish, but look at that. Oh, let's go ahead and swatch this. Oh my god. Look at this pink. If I wasn't wearing blue eyeshadow right now, I would so put this on, but just look at this pink. And went on beautifully. Pigmented, bright. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. I was very happy with this one. So the next item is not makeup related. It's more like a lifestyle item. It is from Sweet Life. It is a stainless steel insulated mug. Now, I got this because a gal likes her coffee. So I saw this and I was like, heck yes. And it's so freaking cute. It's a little mug, and it's pink, of course. And the top is clear. And I forgot what I paid for this, but anyways, the point is that it's so freaking cute. I hope it fits in my cup holders in the car, because it kind of looks a little too big, but that's not exactly the biggest that is so freaking pretty, and I love it in this pink. Yay. And I got one more item from Luxy Brushes. It is the, hold on, let me just open it. It is the Iconic Eye set. I love their brushes. They're super soft. They're just awesome. Really like them. So when I saw the set, I actually was gonna get the full face set, but I was like, girl, stop. You need to chill. So anyway, so I got the Iconic Eye set, and this one comes with the large shader, which is this one here, a small tapered blending, which is the second one here, the pencil liner, which is the one in the middle, and a flat definer, and the small shader. All useful and necessary brushes for eye makeup. Yes. So this is pretty much what it looks like. I don't want to open it right now because I want it to be in the box all beautiful and pretty. But I really like the brushes. I mean, apart from the fact that they're pink, they're really good. They're super soft and they work very well. So I really liked it. And like I said, I never have too many brushes. So yeah. And then I got one more brush from Morphe. It is the R34. It is a fluffy blending brush, or crease brush, however you want to call it. It looks like this. I like to have a lot of blending brushes because those are the ones that I tend to run out of faster. I don't know why, but I do. So yeah, super soft, super cute, and I think this was like $3, something ridiculous like that. So I was like, bro, come on, I need to have that. Okay, we have some more Fenty Beauty by Rihanna here. I got their Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick. I got one of these in the BoxyCharm Premium Box, I think. I forgot about which one. And I really liked it. It was a beautiful nude shade that worked well for me, so I really liked it. So I decided to get 2 more shades. And I got Madame, which is a beautiful red color. I already said, me and reds, love them. Reds, pinks, love them. So let's go ahead and swatch Madame. Oh, sorry, I'm like, I just really want to try it already. But it looks like this. Like I said, their packaging is super freaking pretty. It looks like this. And you open it, and on the lipstick it says FB for Fenty Beauty. Let's go ahead and swatch Madame. Yo, look at the way that this one dried up. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I can't wait to use it. Okay. Oh, Madame. Beautiful color, beautiful red. Went on so well. Look at that. Pigmented. Beautiful. Beautiful. And the next one that I got is called Dragon Mommy, which is more of a brighter, more corally red, I want to say. Look like this. Also FB on the top. This might be more of a orangey red, like I said. Oh my god, it's so freaking pretty. So pretty. This is Dragon Mommy. Look how bright that is. Oh my god, this is gonna look so good in like the summer months and spring months. So freaking cute. So that is Madame and Dragon Mommy from Fenty Beauty. Alright, we're almost at the end. I got from Milk Makeup their Kush Lip Balm in a bubble. So one of the things I like about Milk Makeup is their packaging. Just their all white packaging is just so like, just clean to me. I don't know what it is, but I just really like it. So it looks like this, and it has a magnetic top. I already wanted to just do a lipstick, god damn it. Alright, and it has a magnetic top. Very cool. And it looks like this. I already freaking made a dent in it because I'm an idiot. So it looks like that, and let's go ahead and swatch. Okay, it is very lip balmy and sheer. Perfect. I can just toss this in my bag for daily use. Super cool. Let's see what its specifications are. Stash this soothing lip balm to instantly hydrate with hemp-derived cannabis oil while imparting a sheer tint. Cool. Yes. Very awesome. Very cute. It smells good. It smells like minty. It smells really good. This is definitely going in my bag for everyday use. So this last item I've been wanting forever, and I mean legit forever, since it came out. I just never got the chance to get it, and this was super sale. I forgot what it was, but it was definitely way less than what it usually is. I got the Sigma Spa Brush Cleaning Mat. This thing, I had their glove. I bought it, I forgot where I bought it. I think it was at IMATS. or one of those. No, I think it was in the makeup show. I bought their glove, but I don't know where it is and it's gone now. But this one is way cooler, and I feel like it will work way better for me anyways. So this one comes like this, and let me just take this out with a little finesse so I don't break anything. So it looks like this, and you kind of just plop it onto your sink and it kind of sticks because it has little suction cup thingies, and then you have like different areas where you can scrub your brushes. So it has like you know, it has rinse eyes and rinse face, so it has different sections for different kinds of brushes. I cannot wait to use this thing. I'm so super excited. Like I said, I've been wanting this forever, and I feel like it's just gonna really help me out my brush cleansing process. So very, very, very excited, and I can't wait to try it. And that brings us to the end of another video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And like I said, I'll leave a link down below for the BoxyCharm site so that you can check it out and sign up if you want, so you can have access to like the pop-up shop and the boxes and all that jazz. Check them out if you want. And also follow me on social media. It's at MakeupPixie. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!